Welcome back, students. So as I mentioned in my previous video that we're going to discuss the mass number. So let's start with the mass number. Okay. So the mass number consists of a sum of protons, the sum of protons and the sum of neutrons in a nucleus of an atom. Means as I have mentioned in my previous video, the nucleus which contain the two subatomic particles. So the two subatomic particles are the protons and the neutrons. So these two subatomic particles, the protons and neutrons, are present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay. So let's move forward. Let's take an example of an element X. We have an element X and the mass number for element X is 24. So this 24 consists of a protons and the neutrons. Means this 24 contains the both particles, the protons and the neutrons. The sum of these two particles, the sum of protons and neutrons. Okay. So in the previous video, we have discussed the atomic number. So the atomic number contains only the number of protons. Means the atomic number is only for the number of protons, only of number of protons. Okay. So the mass number is the sum of protons and the neutrons. So if this element X have the atomic number 12, the atomic number is 12. So if this atomic number, the atomic number 12 represents the number of protons. So if I subtract the number of protons from the mass number, so we only left with the number of neutrons. Okay. Now, as these two particles, means the protons and the neutrons, these two particles are present in a nucleus of an atom, inside the nucleus of an atom. So because of a place, as they are present in the nucleus of an atom, they are also known as nucleon. They are also known as nucleons because of a place. So the another name for the mass number is a nucleon number, because of the place where these two particles are present, the nucleon number. Okay. Now, the mass number or the nucleon number, is represented by the letter. This number is represented by letter capital A. So the capital A represents the mass number or the nucleon number. Okay. So we have discussed the short introduction of an atom, the subatomic particles of an atom, protons, neutrons, and the electrons, atomic number, and the mass number in this video. Now in the next video, we're going to discuss the number of protons, the number of neutrons, and the number of electrons in a by the help of an atomic number and the mass number in an atom. So how can we find the number of all these subatomic particles, the protons, electrons, and the neutrons? And by the help of a two number. One is the atomic number, another is a mass number. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye.